Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Zainab. How are
Good
you?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How is Rajnandani doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Today net is creating problem, right?
Due to rain
Yes,
outside.
I know it is not stopping. I don't know why it is raining so badly. Continuously 2 days it has been raining. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, before we start with the class, I would like to um, ask you, I think yesterday in the wait, let me open the class group. See, Daksh, Fazil, Shubham. Who is this Shubham? Do we? Can you tell me? Was he attending the offline classes?
Ma'am, no.
He was not attending, and he has not sent his PDF also. Daksh Bharadwaj.
I'm not attended any of the following. I'm not attended any of the following test.
अच्छा, he has
उनको
not.
भी tested.
शुभम ने कोई भी टेस्ट नहीं करा है तो okay, I'll mark him absent. What about Fazil?
Ma'am, once he attended the computer exam in the school, and ma'am, after that there was holiday, so he don't attend.
I don't know.
He have done all the tests.
Fazil has done
Ma'am, you
all.
can ask to him.
But actually,
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday in the night, I had posted, 3 names of the students who have not, whose PDF I could not get. So Daksh said that he was absent. So fine. Fazil said that I have sent the PDF on my mail address, but then I have not received. I have checked thrice. Then,
Ma'am, you can ask again. Send him to send me on my personal number, and that will be okay then.
but is he there in the class?
No.
No, na.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Then there was B section is also with us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in B section again, see Diya Gupta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Diya Gupta, Mahi Singh, Saksham Patel, Surya Pratap. These 4 have not given their PDFs, right? Some of them said that we were absent. So I'll just call out the names of the ones who said that they were absent. Okay, give me a minute. Where have I kept the file? The Kanishk was absent, Sahil Khan was absent, Saksham Patel, Surya Pratap. Is there any Surya Yadav in your class?
Ma'am, in 8th B, there is one. In 8th B.
Okay. So, but don't know what is wrong. Saksham
Ma'am, have you
Patel.
checked the paper?
Beta, I have checked the papers, but the problem I am facing is I have not received all the PDFs. Diya Gupta has sent, like she has written Diya Gupta, her name, her class section, everything, but then she has not sent the PDF. It is showing blank. It is not showing anything. And one of the student has sent me the maths paper. What will I do with the maths paper? Tell. Am I going to check? Being a social science
No,
teacher,
ma'am.
this is what, no?
Ma'am, he thought you were versatile.
Ha, I am. No, but versatile is Gagan sir. Gagan sir is versatile. I am not versatile. Isn't it? He's your PD
Yes,
teacher,
ma'am.
he's your science teacher, he's your civics
Yes, ma'am.
teacher. You give him any subject, he will teach you.
Ma'am, you teach us 3 subjects. Gagan only teaches 1 subject.
No, but then he can teach you. He teaches you science also, no? Isn't he taking your science classes?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, only science
Ma'am, he
classes, and
teaches
you take
science.
geography and civics.
This, fine, that is there, but then still I don't know, how can they make such mistakes? They don't check their work when they send it? It becomes so difficult for the teacher to find out, isn't it? Or
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes I feel that, you know, children, they feel that we are superhuman beings and we can find out anything anytime. Is it like that? Exactly. Chalo, fine. I think on Saturday we completed the chapter reading and explanation, right?
We also have done exercises till fill in the blanks.
Yes, very good. So today we will continue
Excuse
with
me,
the...
ma'am.
Yes, beta Dhruv.
Ma'am, in the exam, ma'am, there was a last question that draw a flowchart on different type of crops. Ma'am, I was not getting confirmed that we have to draw which. So, ma'am, I have drawn both the flowchart. So, it will be correct or wrong?
Yes, I have given marks, beta Dhruv. You are very intelligent. You used your common sense to do the work. But there are many those who did not even bother to do it. Many of them have done the crops wala thing, that agricultural practices they have done.
Like sugarcane and all.
No. They have written about extensive agriculture, intensive agriculture. They have not written about the types of crops that we have.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji, beta.
Ma'am, we have to
याद
write
है,
about food crops and
नहीं
non-food crops.
Yes, Akshat. We were supposed to write about the food crops and the non-food crops. Many of
I'm
you...
like that sugarcane, wheat and all.
Yes. Yes, Om has to say something.
Ma'am, have you checked the copies of 8B?
Beta, A, B, C, all corrections done. You people have really scored well.
Ma'am, will you tell the marks?
Marks.
See, I tell you, like in your class, except for, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Acha nahi, in B section, no? In B section, except for few, most of you have got 40 on 40. Like out of 34
Tell me my marks.
Ma'am,
individually you don't ask. No, I have told you, I have made your day today by telling that most of you have scored 40 on 40. Isn't it, Zainab? I have made their day today, no?
Ma'am, but please tell the marks.
Ma'am, how will you trust you? Ma'am, please tell.
Ma'am, please
You
tell
will not
the
trust
marks
me.
of
You
roll
should
number
trust
5.
me. When I say that most of you have scored full on full, you should trust your teacher, no? Why would I lie to
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, please.
And you must be pranking
Please tell
us.
that which roll number had not scored 40.
Those who have not scored 40, names of those students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, in your class, I would appreciate, some of the students of your class, some of the students who did not know the types of crops wala thing, they did not write anything in that part. They simply, left that blank because they were not knowing that. So they did not use their brain to do anything else in that. So this was quite appreciable. Yes, Akshat, why making faces like this? Turning your head?
Ma'am, appreciable in a good manner or a bad manner?
I am appreciating in a good way that they did not cheat on the teacher by copying down from the book. I am actually appreciating them. I always remain positive about everything, and this is a positive way of appreciating that if you don't know, never cheat on people. Like, I know there are some students in the class who are not very good in studies, but still somehow they manage to get 40 on 40. How? They also know, I also know. Right? Am I right or not?
Ma'am, everyone knows.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly. And I gave you examples, no? What in the UT1, what happened in the Hafilis, what happened? Some of the students, they copy down diagrams from the net and they had sent me those images directly from the net only. So when I am teaching, I have been teaching for so long, I can, will I not be able to make out whether it is a hand-drawn diagram or a copied one? Will I not be able to get this? Beta Anshuman, I know.
You will be able to get this.
You will be?
Ma'am, you will be able to get this.
Exactly. They feel that teachers are fools. They don't know anything. They assume that they are the masters of everything. थोड़ा common sense they have not used actually. The problem is that. है ना? मुझे तो ऐसे ही लगता है कि ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ होगा. है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Some students are clicking ma'am pictures ma'am with their books, sir.
This is what no मतलब I don't know. I fail to understand. ऐसा बच्चे क्यों करते हैं? Only to get marks. Marks तो एक क्राइटेरिया होता है कि भाई मम्मी पापा को खुश करना है या टीचर की नजर में अच्छा बनना है. पर टीचर की नजर में अच्छा है आप तब बनोगे जब आप ऑनेस्ट रहोगे. है ना? पेरेंट्स भी will appreciate you when you are honest, when you are not cheating on them. Right?
Yes.
एक बेटा चलिए.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
हाँ without wasting.
मैम जितने बच्चे क्लास में हैं उनके मार्क्स बता दीजिए.
बेटा अब देखो हम आपको एक चीज बताएं
Ma'am.
कि अगर अभी हम बताना शुरू करेंगे ना तो फिर बिकॉज बोथ द सेक्शंस आर टुगेदर आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट नो which name which so that will kill my time unnecessarily. So let us do one thing. Let us start with the question answers. Do I need to share the questions on the screen with you all?
Oh, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I do that?
Excuse me,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
जी बेटा.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell the answer? The molten iron is run into moles and is called dash iron.
Where?
Pig iron.
Ma'am, in Phillips.
Phillips, pig iron beta. Fifth last one you are asking, no? It is pig iron.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Pig iron, P-I-G pig iron.
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye, I am sharing the screen with you all. Today, I think because of the rains for continuously 2 days, many of the children are facing, network issues. So it is okay. I will take you inside the meeting if you are again and again rejoining. Fine. Don't mind. And now let me share the screen with you all so that it is easy for me to read out from the screen. Right?
Ma'am, can you please tell me the Phillips second?
Second Philip you want to know? Okay, second Philip is
Yes, ma'am.
leather. Chalo, I am sharing the screen over here. I think this one, right? Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye. What do you mean by manufacturing industries? Who will tell this answer? Zainab will tell.
Ma'am, I.
Yes, Zainab.
Yes, ma'am.
Please answer.
Okay, ma'am. Manufacturing industries are the industries which converts raw material into finished products, usually on a large scale by physical labor or mechanical power.
Okay. Fine. From where have you told this answer? Kindly tell others also.
Okay, so the answer is on page number 190,
Okay.
first paragraph from the fourth line starting.
Very good. Very good. All I have underlined?
Good morning,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
I'm sorry for joining late.
No, बेटा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, नेटवर्क इश्यूज हो रहे होंगे, हम समझते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, we are doing question answers. Can you see the screen? I have shared the screen with you all. Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
take 5 minutes to find the answers of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we will discuss randomly, right?
Ma'am, not able to
Okay,
see
ma'am.
the screen.
Not able to see the screen? Can you see now?
Ma'am, can you tell the ma'am
No, ma'am.
ma'am can you please tell the first answer?
First answer Zainab will tell because she has only told the answer.
The answer is on page number 190 from the starting of the 4th line to the next paragraph just beside that till mechanical power, 2nd line.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Ma'am, marked answers.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. What about others?
I'm done. Ma'am, wait a minute.
Okay, waiting. Just a second. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now second answer.
G?
Ma'am, now second answer we have to do.
Wait. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshat Chandra. Second answer. What are the
Sorry.
various stages of
What
production?
are the
Mm-hmm. Read out. Akshat.
ma'am, the internet was showing your said that is low. That's why. Right.
Oh.
What are the various stages of production of industries? The various industry the various stages of production of an industries are uh, iron and steel industry, textile industry, and
Stages they are asking.
okay, ma'am, I'm not. I was thinking that is that. I will find and tell them.
Anybody else?
May I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it is on page number 190, second paragraph, second line.
Hmm.
Obtaining the raw material, processing it into the finished product, and distributing it are the various stages of production in an industry.
Very good. Is this Natik? Is this Natik telling the answer?
No, ma'am, Dharya.
Okay, Dhairya, very good. Very good. Have you all underlined?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
done.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Dhairya, again. Dhairya, again.
On page number 190, second paragraph, based on telling. It is on page number 190, second paragraph, second line. Obtaining the raw material, processing it into the finished product, and distributing it are the various stages of production in an industry.
Very good. Mark now.
Ma'am,
Third one can I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, third one can I tell?
As name also you need to tell. Yes, Rajnandani. Third one.
Yes, ma'am. Difference between agro, ma'am. Okay. First, ma'am, agro-based industries, they obtain their raw materials from agriculture.
Very good.
Example, jute textiles, cotton, sugar, and food processing.
Very good.
And in mineral-based industries, they use rocks and minerals as their raw materials. Example, iron, steel, aluminium, cement, and petrochemical.
Very good. Agro-based industries,
190.
raw material. Very good. From where you have told the answer, tell that also.
Number 192.
Has everyone underlined?
Yes, ma'am,
yes,
done.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Now, next question. Zainab,
Ma'am,
will-
tell.
May I give answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Beta, you
May
need
I?
to raise your hand so that I can read out who is raising. Okay, Dhruv Bhojwani.
Yes, ma'am, telling. Give two examples each of pastoral-based and forest-based industries. Pastoral-based industries. Examples are leather goods, woolen textiles, processed meat, and dairy products.
Very good.
Examples of forest-based industries are paper, furniture, and sports goods.
Very good. Very good. Has everyone underlined from where he has told?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Very good. Very good. Can we have Netik now telling the next answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Question is name some synthetic textiles. Why are they much in demand?
Hmm?
Textile.
I can't hear him.
Beta, little louder.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Please tell me, wait. Beta batao. Okay, let me check who else has raised hand.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am, may I?
Aman Khan. Aman,
Yes, ma'am.
tell beta.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, name some synthetic textile are rayon, nylon, acrylic, and polyester,
very good.
and they are much demand because they become very popular because they are cheaper, easier to maintain, and more durable than natural textiles.
Very good. Very good. So can you tell the class from where you have read this answer so that they all can underline?
Yes, ma'am. It is on page number 196, last paragraph, synthetic textiles.
Hmm. Very good. Synthetic textiles like rayon, nylon, acrylic, and polyester are very famous. They have become very popular because they are cheaper, easier to maintain, and more durable than the natural textiles. Has everyone underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now name the 4 major industrial regions of the world. Can we have Om?
May I tell?
Om Saraswat.
May I?
Wait, Om. Can we have Om? Is Om Saraswat there in the meeting?
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
Uzair?
Ma'am, may I?
Akshat Chandra will tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Anshuman will tell.
No,
Anshuman? Anshuman? No, Anshuman.
Yes, ma'am. Answer number 6.
Answer number 6. Yes, Anshuman.
Ma'am, answer number 6. The 4 major industrial regions in the world are eastern part of North America, Western and Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia.
Very good. This is on page number?
190.
From 194.
Very good. Very good. Now coming to the next page. What are the 3 types of cotton textile mills? Name 4 major cotton textile producing countries. Zainab,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
Zainab or Rajnandani?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Saying, is it Rajnandani or Zainab?
Zainab.
Zainab. Okay. But one more name is there other than Zainab.
Ma'am, who?
I don't know. I'm not able to recognize the name of the child. Okay. Can we have Manrina answering?
Ma'am, you can have me answering.
Ma'am.
Wait.
Ma'am, but I'm having my breakfast right now.
Okay, fine. Then don't. Zainab, you only answer. What are the 3 types
Okay.
of textile mills?
The 3 types of cotton textile mills are spinning mills, weaving mills, and composite mills. And the 4 major cotton textile producing countries are USA, China, India, and Russia. The answer is on page number 195, textile industry. Second paragraph, the highlighted 3 names.
Okay.
Spinning mills, weaving mills.
There are 3 types of mills: spinning mills, weaving mills, and composite mills, right?
And then the names are given in the 3rd paragraph.
Right. And the names of the
countries.
given: the US, China, India, Russia. Only 4 we need. Right?
Ma'am.
All have underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next, distinguish between intermediate goods and consumer goods industries. Give examples of each. Who will tell this answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Tanishka,
May I?
Tanishka said, may I tell? Yes, Tanishka?
Ma'am, intermediate goods. Yes, ma'am. Intermediate goods industries are those whose product are used as a component to manufacture other finished product. For example, tire, packaging material, and machine parts, etc. And the consumer goods industries are those whose finished product are directly used by consumer. Example, sugar, paper, cosmetics, and automobiles. It's on page number 192.
Very good. All have underlined?
Yes, ma'am, may I tell
Yes, ma'am, done.
ma'am, may I tell the next one?
Yes.
Next one question is bring out the differences between private sector and public sector industries by giving examples. The answer is on page number 192.
Very good.
On the basis of private sector.
Ma'am, his voice is not coming.
Beta, it is coming. You listen carefully. Listen carefully. It is coming.
Private sector industries are owned and managed by individuals or a group of individuals. Tata Iron and Steel Iron Company, Reliance Industries, Aditya Birla Group of Industries are example of type this. Public sector industries are owned and managed by central or state government or their agencies. Steel Authority of India Ltd, Bharat Heavy Electricals Ltd, and Durgapur Steel can't fall in the category.
ठीक है. Has everyone underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell the answer again.
Beta, it is
Ma'am,
on.
it is on page number 192. Fourth
The
on the
answer is
basis
on
of
page number
ownership.
192.
Telling. Yes, beta, continue. Tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Shall we go to the next question? Describe
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
process of steel production.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, बेटा. नैतिक, आपकी आवाज बहुत हल्की आ रही है बेटा. थोड़ा अपना वॉल्यूम ठीक करो अपने सेट का, जो डिवाइस है आपका.
Describe the process of steel production. The answer is on page number 194.
Yes.
Iron and steel industry. Second paragraph.
Yes.
The raw materials used in the iron and steel industry are iron ore, coal, limestone, and manganese. The iron ore is mixed with coal and limestone and smelted together in the blast furnace. The molten iron is run into the molds and is called pig iron. After it solidifies, it is hard and strong but very brittle as it contains impurities. The impurities are removed and pure iron is obtained. Some carbon is mixed with pure iron to make steel.
ठीक है. Steel is very flexible and can be made into any shape like sheets, wires, and rods. So
A full paragraph.
I'll tell you. We can start with the question says that describe the process of steel production. The process of steel production is as follows. The raw material steel is produced with the help of raw materials like iron ore, coal, limestone, and manganese. Iron ore is mixed with coal and limestone and smelted together in a blast furnace. Right? Then the molten iron is run into molds and is called pig iron. After it solidifies, it is hard and strong, which contains impurities. The impurities are removed and pure iron is obtained. Some carbon is mixed with pure iron to make steel. This is how the steel is produced. Then you can add that steel is very flexible and can be made into any shape like sheets, wires, and rods. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am means
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell first answer, ma'am, of this short, ma'am, 50 to 70 words.
50 to 70 words. Second one.
Ma'am, first.
First one, it is given on page number 192. Left hand side. Last two headings, intermediate and consumer goods. Can you see?
Ma'am, full paragraph.
Full paragraph into 3 or 2 points. In distinguished form.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Got it? Very good. Next
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Classify industries on the basis of size. Who will tell?
Can I tell?
Tell beta.
Ma'am, I will tell.
Yes, beta. Zainab, batao.
The answer is on page number 191. Like it's the starting. On the basis of size, the industries can be classified into 3 types: cottage industries, small scale industries, and large scale industries. Then in the paragraph, cottage industries are household industries in which the craftsmen make goods in their homes with the help of their family members.
Next point.
In the next paragraph,
Nahi, beta.
sorry ma'am, an
No.
example.
Beta, in the classify industries on the basis of size, you need to describe also, because it is 80 to 100. All the 3 you will be writing in points. Pehle you will be writing about on the basis of size, cottage industry. Cottage industry, you will write that the goods are produced at home with the help of family members. Second point, they invest little capital, use the local raw material and simple tools. Third point, little or no power is used. Next point, they sell their products in the local markets. Then you give examples that products of cottage industries include pottery, baskets, textile, jewelry, decorative items, jams and jellies and pickles. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
This is how you are going to do this answer. You will be writing all the different types, sizes, types of industry that is given, no? Cottage, small scale, large scale. You will describe them in 2 points, all the 3. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
To everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you come to the next question. The next question says, give an account of the world distribution of the iron and steel industry.
What do we have to tell in this?
You just have to tell that where in the world the iron and steel production is confined. Like which all countries, which all places the iron and steel industries are located. Right? So shall we leave this question?
Ma'am, it is given on 194 page.
No, I know that, I know. But let us do it in a table form.
Okay, ma'am.
So you give me today's time. I will. Yeah, ऐसा करते हैं. Let it be your homework. You make it into table and share it tomorrow with me in the class, right?
Okay, ma'am.
है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
थोड़ा interesting भी हो जाएगा. Let me see who makes it in the best way, right? Aditya is spoiling
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, don't spoil my screen, please. Why making dots on the screen?
Ma'am, creativity.
Yes.